Okay, this is the way. We're going to take one of our shapes from our saber and put it into FlashPrint for 3D printing. It's not a very difficult task. We're going to right click on one of our parts, or better yet, you can scroll down on your parts list inside of Part Studio and find the one that you want to export. So I right click, find the export button, and make this an STL format file. Then I want to give this a good file name like handle. And I'll date it as well. Maybe put my name on there. Obviously. Export. That's going to go into our download folder right here. I'm going to open up FlashPrint 5. And I can actually get rid of this old stuff that was printing. And I'm going to go up to File and Load File from the download folder. And there it is. Open. Now notice it doesn't look like anything happened because it's very, very tiny. But there's a speck down there. We have to zoom way in, and we have to scale it up. Now I know this part is 4 inches long, so I can set this to inches and change my Y measurement to 4. If I zoom back out, now it is the right size. Make sure whichever dimension you select, you pick one that you know for certain what that dimension is going to be from Onshape. If not, well, it's not going to print the right size. Then likely your ship will get an air leak and you'll get sucked into the cold vacuum of space. Now we're ready to start slicing. If you want to rotate this because it will print better, you can rotate it here. I'm going to rotate it on the x-axis, this red one. 90 degrees looks good. It's on the platform, it's centered. I can move it with the move command. Now I can start slicing. We want to set the standard quality, or we can go fast for larger, more simplistic parts. This part's not that detailed, so I'm going to select fast. Then we need to set the temperature to 210 degrees Celsius. Not too cold, not too warm. We want to enable the raft. Yes. Infill, 10 or 15% is fine. Shells, 2. 3 if you have more detail or a finer part. Go ahead and hit slice. Okay, now it's been sliced. Let's preview it. Looks like it's going to take 1 hour and 49 standard minutes. Now we just need to local save it in this part of the galaxy. Save to local. And now we're ready to send this over to the Forge Master. Typically this is going to go onto a flash drive or USB stick. And then you're ready to plug that into our 3D printers and print. This is the way.